Storing hardware accessories requires not only exceptional load-bearing capacity and stability but also flexible and efficient storage solutions. Traditional racking systems often fail to fully utilize a warehouse's vertical space, leading to wasted space and inefficient inventory management, which ultimately affects overall operational efficiency. Next, OKE is excited to share a successful case from the Philippines. The client, specializing in hardware products, faced the challenge of managing irregularly shaped warehouses. Warehouse 1 measures 32,650 mm in length, 22,800 mm in width, and 9,000 mm in height, while Warehouse 2 is 26,000 mm long, 22,800 mm wide, and 9,000 mm high. Based on the client's pallet requirements, each pallet is 1,000 mm long, 1,200 mm wide, 1,400 mm high, with a load capacity of 1,000 kilograms. OKE Storage provided detailed design drawings and customized a 5-tier pallet racking system. With our optimized design, the space utilization in the client's warehouse is increased by 80%, effectively eliminating space wastage and significantly improving both storage capacity and operational efficiency. Here are actual case photos of our racking system design, where you can see how our solution made the most of every inch of space, solving the common issue of wasted space in traditional storage methods. If you have any questions, feel free to contact OKE directly, and we will provide a tailored solution to fit your needs. Once the order is confirmed, we will immediately initiate the project implementation process, with dedicated personnel overseeing each step to ensure smooth execution. Our 15-person quality inspection team will rigorously monitor every stage, ensuring that all details from production progress to semi-finished and finished products meet exact specifications. The dimensions, appearance, and load-bearing capacity of each pallet racking system will be carefully inspected to meet the client's specific requirements. We assess not only basic functionality but also the stability and safety of each component to prevent potential issues. The installation phase is equally critical to our service. Below are photos from the actual installation process, showing how we ensure the precise installation of racking systems on site, maximizing warehouse storage capacity while maintaining safety and usability. To ensure all products meet stringent standards, our packaging undergoes 5 rigorous quality control steps. These steps ensure that every stage, from raw material selection to the final product, is meticulously checked. Each production step undergoes multi-layered inspection, minimizing any quality defects and ensuring that the racking systems delivered to our clients are flawless and reliable. After all production steps are completed, we move on to the container loading stage. Loading is not just the final step in the production process, it is also a crucial phase in ensuring the safe and smooth transportation of goods. With over 12 years of experience in container loading, OKE experts precisely calculate the loading capacity of each container, helping clients optimize space utilization and reduce transportation costs. Every container is loaded with great care to ensure that goods are securely packed, making unloading easier and more efficient. We understand that the way goods are loaded into containers directly impacts transportation safety and efficiency. Through our meticulous loading process, we ensure that clients' goods maximize available space and arrive at their destination in perfect condition. Our goal is to ensure that every shipment is delivered safely, efficiently, and without any issues.